Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Public Service Commission of South Carolina. We're here for a special business meeting. Let's take roll. Present in the hearing room, we have Commissioners Powers, Thomas, C. Williams, J. Williams, and Belzer. Joining us virtually, we have Commissioners Caston and Irvin. Attorney Butler, will you please read the agenda, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon to you and the commissioners. Item number one on today's special business meeting agenda is in dockets number 2021-88E, 2021-89E, and 2021-90E. Staff presents for commission consideration the scope of work and proposed schedules, due dates, and deadlines related to London Economics International, LLC.
All right, thank you, sir. I'm going to pass the gavel to Vice Chair Belzer.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Commissioners, you've heard the agenda item 1 read by Mr. Butler. Is there a motion?
Vice Chair Belzer, I have a motion, ma'am.
Chairman Williams?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, if you would bear with me, this is a pretty long motion. I move that the commission adopt the following scopes of work and schedules for the independent consultant for the Dominion and the Duke Energy Carolinas and Duke Energy Progress avoided cost proceedings. The consultant's scope of work will be as follows: review all filings on the PSC SC docket management system, including all pre-filed testimony, verify the avoided cost methodology and calculations included in all parties' testimony. If necessary, file data requests with the parties, write and file the consultant's independent report. The consultant's independent report must be based on the evidence of the hearing record according to the South Carolina Code, annotated section 584120. The consultant's independent report shall serve as its pre-filed testimony and exhibits. The consultant's independent report must be filed with the commission at contact@psc.sc.gov. I repeat, that's contact@psc.sc.gov and served on all parties to the case. The consultant will respond, if necessary, to discovery from parties regarding the consultant's independent report. Should the consultant need to communicate with the commission and with any party in the case, the consultant must file such communication at contact@psc.sc.gov and will serve all the parties to the case. And I seriously doubt the consultant will need to talk with the commissioner, so that I'm pretty sure that's going to be for procedural or scheduling matters. Watch and observe all the hearing via live stream. Also, the consultant may be required to testify before the commission regarding the consultant's independent report and subject to cross-examination by the parties and questions from the commission. Now, here are a few important dates and deadlines that will apply to the Dominion case. The hearing begins on August 18th, 2021. The consultant's final report is due, only report that is due September 16th, 2021. The discovery deadline, including the consultant's deposition to be completed by the parties. The deadline is October 5th, 2021. The consultant's testimony and cross-examination followed by commissioner questions is scheduled for October 6th through October 7th, 2021. As for Duke Energy Carolinas and Duke Energy Progress, the consultant's scope of work is as follows: review all filings on the PSC SC docket management system, including all pre-filed testimony and settlement testimony. Verify the avoided cost methodology and calculations contained within the stipulation of agreement and the stipulation testimony. If necessary, file data requests with the parties. Write and file the consultant's independent report on the stipulation of agreement filed in docket numbers 2021-89E and 2021-90E. The consultant's independent report must be based on the evidence of hearing record according to South Carolina Code, annotated section 584120. The consultant's independent report shall serve as its pre-filed testimony and exhibits. The consultant's independent report must be filed with the commission at contact@psc.sc.gov and served on all parties to the case. The consultant will respond, if necessary, to discovery from parties regarding the consultant's independent report. Should the consultant need to communicate with the commission and with any party in the case, the consultant must file such communication at contact@psc.sc.gov and serve all the parties to the case. Again, I don't imagine that will happen much, if at all, but if it does, the consultant needs to be very careful not to violate the commission's rules of ex parte communication. The consultant will watch and observe all hearing testimony via live stream. The consultant may be required to testify before the commission regarding the consultant's independent report and subject to cross-examination by the parties and questions from the commission. All right, the deadlines in the Duke Company's cases are as follows. The hearing begins August 2nd, 2021 at 10 a.m. The consultant's report is due August 23rd, 2021. This discovery deadline, including the consultant's deposition to be completed by the parties, is September 10th, 2021. The consultant's testimony and cross-examination, followed by commissioners' questions, is scheduled for September 16th and 17th, 2021. Madam Chair and fellow commissioners, that is my motion. So moved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Commissioners, you've heard the motion by Chairman Williams. Any questions or discussion? Hearing none, we'll proceed to a roll call vote. Chairman Williams?
Aye.
Commissioner Powers?
Aye.
Commissioner Williams?
Aye.
Commissioner Caston?
Vice Chair Belcher, I vote yes to adopt the schedule in the 2021 aborted cost docket for Dominion and 2021-88-E. While I did not support the outcome of the commission regarding an expert relative to the Duke Company 2021 aborted cost dockets, I vote yes to support the majority decision of the commission.
Thank you. Commissioner Irvin?
Aye.
Commissioner Thomas?
Like Commissioner Caston, I vote yes to adopt the schedule in the 2021 avoided cost docket for Dominion in 2021-88E. I did not support the outcome of the commission regarding an expert related to the Duke Company's 2021 avoided cost dockets. However, I vote yes to support the majority decision of the commission.
Thank you, Commissioner. And I vote aye as well. The motion carries.
Item number 2 is in docket numbers 2021-89E and 2021-90E. And staff is presenting for commission consideration the Duke Energy Carolinas LLC and Duke Energy Progress petition for declaratory order.
Madam Chair,
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chairman.
I have a motion, ma'am.
Please proceed.
I move that we deny the petition of Duke Energy Carolinas LLC and Duke Energy Progress LLC for a declaratory order that would allow them to discuss or talk with witnesses while under oath. So moved.
Commissioners, you've heard the motion of Chairman Williams. Any questions or discussion?
Madam Vice Chair or Chair,
Mr. Chairman?
I want to first of all thank all parties involved for the work that they put into their memoranda as well as their arguments. I will say this: while the petition is denied, I understand the request of the Duke companies and the support of the same from the South Carolina Department of Consumer Affairs. Therefore, my intent in the docket numbers 2021-89E and 2021-90E is to allow the witnesses to be excused between their direct testimony and rebuttal testimony, allowing the Duke companies and for that matter any other parties who would like to confer with their witnesses to do so without violation of the rules. I'm denying the motion simply because the risk is just too high to destroy the sanctity of the integrity of the process, where many attorneys, if not all attorneys, and members of our nation believe that when the witness is under oath, they should not discuss their testimony with anyone. And so I respect that rule, and that's why I'm denying the motion. However, there's nothing prohibiting this commission from allowing the witness to step down and be excused between the direct and rebuttal testimonies.
Commissioners, any further questions or discussion?
Madam Chair,
Commissioner Powers?
just for clarification, Mr. Chairman, that means that should a witness be recalled or called back up for rebuttal testimony, they would then, of course, be sworn in again.
Absolutely, sir. You're absolutely right.
Okay. And hopefully, as expressed in the hearing on this matter, hopefully the parties will make efforts to combine this rebuttal and sur-rebuttal so that we can more timely and efficiently use our time in some of these matters. Just wanted to make that statement. Thank you.
Commissioners, any further discussion? Hearing none, we will proceed to a roll call vote. Chairman Williams?
Aye.
Commissioner Powers?
Aye.
Commissioner Williams?
Aye.
Commissioner Caston?
Aye.
Commissioner Irvin?
Aye.
Commissioner Thomas?
Aye.
And I vote no. I respectfully, I understand and I appreciate the workaround, but I take a slightly different view. So, thank you. Mr. Chairman, I return the gavel to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Vice Chair. Attorney Butler.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Item number 3 on the special agenda today is in docket number 2193E. This is the Dominion Energy South Carolina Incorporated request for a light facility determination. Before the commission today is the joint motion to hold proceedings in abeyance, filed on behalf of the South Carolina Coastal Conservation League, Southern Alliance for Clean Energy, Sierra Club, and Carolina's Clean Energy Business Association.
Is there a motion?
Mr. Chairman,
Vice Chair Belzer.
I move the commission grant the joint motion of the South Carolina Coastal Conservation League, Southern Alliance for Clean Energy, Sierra Club, and Carolina's Clean Energy Business Association, requesting to hold this proceeding in abeyance until 60 days after the filing of the Dominion Energy South Carolina Incorporated's 2021 IRP update. So move.
Hearing Commissioner Belzer's motion, is there any discussion?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, ma'am.
I would just
Vice Chair
note,
Belzer.
I would just note that Dominion has indicated that they consent to the motion, and ORS has indicated they have no opposition as well.
All right. Is there any more discussion? Hearing none, we'll vote, starting with District 1. Commissioner Williams.
Aye.
Vice Chair Belzer.
Aye.
Commissioner Caston.
Aye.
Commissioner Urban.
Aye.
Commissioner Thomas.
Aye.
Commissioner Powers.
Aye.
Chairman Williams votes aye. The ayes have it. The motion carries.
Item number 4 is in docket numbers 2021-89E and 2021-90E. Before the commission today is a request to withdraw petitions to intervene by Pelzer Hydro Company, LLC, Aqua Energy Systems, LLC, and Northbrook Carolina Hydro, LLC.
Is there a motion?
Chairman Williams, I'd like to make a motion.
Commissioner Caston, you have the floor, sir.
I move that the commission grant the request of Pelzer Hydro Company, LLC, Aquanergy Systems, LLC, and Northbrook Carolina Hydro, LLC, to withdraw their petitions to intervene in docket numbers 2021-89E and 2021-90E. I so move.
Hearing Commissioner Caston's motion, is there any discussion? Hearing none, we'll vote, starting with District 1, Commissioner Williams.
Aye.
Vice Chair Belzer,
Aye.
Commissioner Caston,
Aye.
Commissioner Urban,
Aye.
Commissioner Thomas,
Aye.
Commissioner Powers,
I vote aye.
Chairman Williams votes aye. The ayes have it. The motion carries.
Mr. Chairman, other commissioners, that completes the agenda for today.
All right, thank you very much. We are adjourned.